Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. When you're drawing something like this, I'm going to try to save you some steps. I'm going to draw an ellipse. I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. That's real important. I'm going to go up to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour 1 inch to the inside. You know what? I'm going to make it a little bit thicker this time. Let's go 1.5. Go and break the contour apart. Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C to have it, well, you don't have to do that because it's going to rotate from the center of the page anyway. You know what? I don't like it. It's too thick. So let's go back, put it back to 1 inch. I like the thinner. But always break the contour apart. Just get used to doing that. Control D and rotate it 90 degrees. Now, instead of cutting every one of these lines, all you have to do, if you hold down the Alt key, is just cut that line. Now let's group this together, Control G, and let's take our Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now we can actually move this out of the way because this is in the center of the page. Let's go to the Interactive Fill tool and I'm going to use a different color this time. Let's go blue. Well, really, I want black on both ends. And I want blue up here. But I want, there's some bit of darkness. Let me zoom in so you can see this. I want some darkness here. So I'm going to take my handle and look at that. See how I'm giving it some darkness? And you can always go like that and get, maybe that's too dark at the bottom. But when you do that, you're going to change the darkness up top. You know, if you go here, all the blue is away. If you go here, you get a little darkness. We could put a little bit more blue, like right there, and still have darkness on both ends. Well, maybe not. You know what? Let's just play. Let's put a little black there. No, because you're not going to be able to get away with that black. So you can double click on that and it'll take it away. So let's bring this down. Well, we really have to bring this up to get that darkness. I have a little bit of problem here. Well, it's because of that blue, so I'm going to take that blue away. I'm just double clicking. Now I'm going to bring my blue back. And see, I've got a little bit of darkness there. So that's all you have to do. You don't have to cut the other lines. Control D, and because we're working in the center page, well, it didn't work. Control D, Alternate C, because we've got a weird shape. 90 degrees. I didn't make a duplicate. So now I'm at 90, I'm going to go 0, and then Control D, Control D. So it looks like it's interlocking, but you only had to, that's really cool, but you only had to cut, you know, instead of the old, when I first started doing this type of stuff, I would cut all the lines and fill them in. Well, if it's symmetrical and you can rotate, it's just so much easier to just do part and rotate it. Anyway, I hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.